Hi, my name is Anisha Chaudhary. My friends and family call me Annie. As per your ask, I'm posting this video to talk about why I could be a good fit in your company, but that would be incomplete without knowing a bit about me. So originally I come from India. I come from a traditional middle class family. I always had an inclination for science. I'm a person who needs to know the whys and hows behind things. So that drove me to my bachelor's and master's in biotechnology. Now, fast forward few years, few jobs. I moved to the United States with my husband, my then new husband. This is 8 years ago. And I pursued my second master's in food science. I think that was a great decision because it was a very enriching experience for me, learning the basic science of food and food technology and how it overlaps with nutrition and food safety. I think that was very interesting. It was good 2 years spent. After that, I worked with a couple of the biggest retailers in the world, Walmart and Target. I worked in the food safety operations related to supply chain and stores, where I had the privilege of driving some of the key digital transformation initiatives. Now, fast forward again to today. I moved here in Basel, Switzerland, with my husband and kid, leaving my well-established job in the US. While I love my husband, I hate him for that, but that story is for a different day. However, when I was looking for opportunities, I realized that the startup initiative, the startup scene in this region is awesome. And I was looking for some innovation in food being my core area, and I stumbled upon Felfel. I just love the work you guys are doing. I think it's so important to have good food at work. And it's much more than just food, it's good conversation with your colleagues, with your people. You make sure you're making right food choices, healthy food choices, and simply put, it's just good fun, right? But why should you look further into this video? So there are three reasons. The first being, the food company is not just a growing and changing field, but it's a heavily regulated one. And I have worked as a food scientist as well as a food safety subject matter expert with, working with the latest technologies in this field. So I think that is an expertise you can use. My second point is you are a startup now, but in your trajectory, you are only going to get bigger, more global, more digital. Simply put, your programs will be very different from what it is today. Running a ship is very different from running a boat, right? And I have worked in some big ships, so I know the nuances of working in a globally diverse, cross-functional team and working with these teams, in their transformation to digital age. So I believe I can be someone who can help you today and also in your bigger tomorrow. And my third point is probably the most important point is that I'm a foodie. I love to cook Indian food. I come from a family with heightened taste buds. But I'm sure you already have Indian food and Asian curries in your awesome food menu, in your food collection. But I would love to tap some synergies there. So that's me. I really hope this video intrigues you enough to take this conversation further. I'm always a phone call away. My phone number is 079 737 8444. Look forward to hearing from you. Danke.